So what's inside the Wood-Mizer equipment manual? What comes with the LT15? Okay, well, on a little side note, we have the Woods to Workshop and their magazine. We also have all the information on the engine care and maintenance. Okay, more on the engine. Then we have this nifty little guy. He's a lumber rule and lumber scale. Log rule and lumber scale. Then on the back it gives you a little some definitions of different types of the Wood-Mizer can cut native lumber into quality building materials for floors, joists, framing, rafters, plates, roof boards, studding, sheathing, stills, furniture, wood shingles and shakes, fence posts, and then tells you all the different kind of wood each one is good for, like for floors, oak, maple, birch, beech, ash. Joists, you can use maple, beech, ash, aspen, elm. Roof boards, aspen, beech, cottonwood, maple, elm, oak. Studding, ash, beech, maple, oak, elm. For the scale on the other side, got this little slide rule. Customer tally sheet. Launch your business with exclusive toolkit. And then completing your purchase. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video and other videos on the channel, there are 3 things that you can do to really help me out. Number 1 is to hit the thumbs up, the like button below. Number 2 is to comment. And number 3 is to subscribe. Thank you.